Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to STEM Education. We are reading 5 plus English and today's topic is use of is, am, are. Today we will read about how to use is, am, are. We use is, are and am to talk about people, animals or things. We use is with one person, one animal or one thing. We use are with many people, many animals or many things. And we use am with I. Read the sentence. He is my brother. It is a cat. They are friends. I am a student. I can do it. Write is, are or am to complete the sentence. Ali is happy. The flowers are colorful. I am 5 years old. The boys are playing. The dog is brown. The peacocks are beautiful. Teacher's note. Give simple examples and encourage students to read aloud each sentence.